guys! I'm creating a video to YouTube because I wanna be a YouTuber one day. And guys, please support why I wanna be a YouTuber even though I'm a model. Because I want to show my talent to everyone on social media. Not just because I want the money and a business. It's because I wanna be known as a YouTuber and a model. But known as a girl who hardworking for my dream. It's okay to be judged to everyone, but no one can stop my dream. I will give a video that I'm a model.
Alamat lang ba ang pahinga ng dalawang puyat sa pira-piraso?
Sorry guys if I'm ugly, but I want that now. And also trying to be YouTuber.
Sagot ay di mahalaga, sapat na sa'kin.
Thank you for watching guys. Hope you guys understand me. Thank you.